I'm about to head into this Subway here. I believe it's at 820. I think this is Zebulon Road. It might have a different name right here. That's what it looks like. I'm going to get me a turkey sandwich. I'm leaving Subway now, and I lied. I did not get the turkey sandwich. I got the chicken bacon ranch. I ain't never had one before, but I'm going to have one tonight. I'll show you what it looks like when I get home. I told you I'd show you what that chicken bacon ranch looked like when I got home. This is it. Like I said, it's the first time I've had one. And it looks pretty good. I'll let you know how it was here in a little bit. Well, I can only eat half of it, and I already got the other half wrapped up and put back in the plastic bag. But that was really good. First time I ever had one of those, and I'll certainly be getting it again. And I strongly recommend it. All right, have a great day.